back with another new video today. We're going to be installing Kasm Workspace. Really good tool. I love it. In a way where, like, if you think there's a URL you're going on or something and you think it's malicious or something, you could test it out in there as it's a isolated application. Like I use Google Chrome. You could go in there. You could even use Google Chrome if you just don't want to be tracked or something, right? Just another layer. And you could test out different distros and stuff with Linux, like Kali Linux. You're trying to learn something, you're going to screw it up multiple times, and you want to destroy it, rebuild it again. It instant. It's really good. It's a really good tool. No special configuration. All the communication and all the setup is done in Docker over a VM, which is really good. It does not work on LXC and WSL or WSL2 at all, so just keep that in mind. There is special requirements on this. So with operating system wise, as you can see, there's quite a bit in there. It's quite almost like the ones that we mostly use out there. Even it runs on Raspberry Pi. I'm using Rocky Linux 9 in this one, and for the CPU I'm putting 4 cores and 16 gigs of RAM, and storage wise 60 gigs for this tutorial. And make sure you kind of have like a bit of room rather than 4 gigs. I think you'll be able to run like one VDI only. So just make sure on that. And anything larger scale, of course, you can see you want to go with a multi-server install, so you can split up the load and everything. But in my tutorial we're gonna go with a single one. So let's start this, and it's simple and easy. There's a standard install file right here. You just copy this, put on my terminal, paste. Okay, yes. And what is this saying here? Docker install. Hold on, let's see here quick. Start this again. So I did run this earlier, and it did screw up because I forgot to put up about 60 gigs of storage. So I was running it off of like 10 gigs. That was a bit of my mistake there, but see if this works now. So this will do everything by itself. It's very easy setup. There's nothing else you got to do. It will do all the setup, install whatever images it needs in Docker, and you'll be good that way. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stop the recording now and record it where it finishes off, because this does take a little while. I'll say about 15 minutes. Depends on the spec of your VM. So I'll see you guys after this once I finish.